As a cybersecurity expert, I actually look at a spring clean as a great opportunity to take advantage of things like updating your passwords. Yeah, I do this every year, whether they need it or not. Just because there's so many breaches. I also do them during breach time too. But I'm going to use a product like LastPass or FirstPass or whatever you may be using, including the new Chrome environment, which tracks your passwords. Change your passwords, please. And if you're not using a password manager, now's the time to get one. We'll also want to maybe clear up those browsers as well. What I mean by that is we're going to go through and delete the history. That's a lot of information that's stored on your system, as well as the cache files. Also, our cookies. Let's clean those up. I eat those. No, our cookies, we're going to clean those up. And what happens, I know some of you may be thinking, but Dale, if I do that, I'm going to have to re-log into my pages. My settings aren't going to be the same. That's okay. Guess what? You're also not going to get a bunch of junk mail or junk ads coming at you. It's kind of refreshing when we do that. I'd also maybe look at investing in a VPN. As somebody who travels a lot, I don't go anywhere without my VPN, and I never hook into a public Wi-Fi without a VPN. That includes your phones. Make sure that you take the time to invest and configure one of those for yourself. And speaking of being mobile and out and about all the time, take this opportunity to review all the apps on your phone and ask yourself, do I still need that application? I actually are very picky about my apps. When I go to a conference, I have to load an app up. The first thing I've done when the conference is over is I uninstall it. If I have an app that I need to reinstall later, that's fine. I've got my login information. I can just continue where I left off. Great example, Uber. When I'm not traveling, I take it off. I don't need it around my house. We also maybe want to take a look at refreshing our systems, mobile and laptops or home devices. Going through and starting fresh. It's amazing how much faster your system is. Or you're thinking that it's really a slow system. We refresh it, and I have family members that are like, what'd you do, Dale? Why is it so fast? All I did was format and reinstall. Windows 10 is a nice little feature that just allows you to refresh. Keeps your apps, keeps your documents, and just refreshes the operating system. So those are some of my helpful hints for you. If you've got your own, I'd love to hear about them.